We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar 2 litre diesel R Sport. Absolutely fantastic condition. Gleaming black metallic with lovely light grey alloy wheels. It's got the twin exhausts. It's in beautiful condition. Electric windows, electric memory seats, power shift on the gearbox. It's on 51,977 miles. The reverse camera, full media pack. Satellite navigation, climate control, heated seats, different ways of driving it, cruise control. Absolutely beautiful condition. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.